Hi, everybody. My name is Raechel, and I'm looking forward to being with you at the OAMHP's annual conference happening September 29th this year in Toronto. I'll be giving a 3-hour workshop called Creating a Sustainable Private Practice in Psychotherapy. And I know a thing or two about that, having built a couple of clinics and spending most of my career in private practice. So I'm looking forward to being with you. And the question I would maybe ask you if we were on a game of Jeopardy, for example, and I were to say to you, what is the top reason for a failed private practice in this industry? What would you guess? What would you think are the top reasons, and then the reasons that are maybe contributing to some of those other bigger reasons? Well, that's what we're going to explore in our time together at this workshop. We're going to look at sustainability of practice in 4 key areas. We're going to talk about sustainability of practice amongst changing modalities within our field, different types of approaches that are used, and how we understand how that relates to the thriving of our practice. The second is sustainability around innovation. How do we think about innovation and charting new frontiers and paths when we work in the industry that we do, something that not many of us learned a lot about in our degrees. I want to talk about sustainability of the therapist's soul. How do we think about you as your best tool and taking good care of it through this work? And finally, the sustainability of your business and infrastructure as you build your practice. Looking forward to being with you. I hope that I see a bunch of you at the conference, and we'll see you in September.